It is short hinin baita and badi. State hinin udu. Jojo is Susu's little brother. Jojo hodi ba. Assalamualaikum. I am Narar Mutti Acha dia Goa grade 4 English vocabulary. Saya dia aras sebutari. Aras inda dia 548. Read for the following letter. Lama letter ginori and badi level. The children who are in the picture. Wangi hon level mada ase kengor hinor madhyame ka song udde arasai. Dear Nini, this is a picture of me and Kadan Morsubi with my 4 friends Masagar Fajar Fati at the park bagan madi. All my friends Marwaje Biakulun are friendly Bashabisigum. So is my best friend So Hodiba Marbala Moja. She has brown hair. Hibatun Shailarangor Kofirangor Sulasi. It is short hinin baita and badi. State hinin udu. Jojo is Susu's little brother. Jojo hodi ba Susur chondabai. His short hete baita and badi. He has black hair heta tu hala sulasi. Zia is my neighbor. Zia hodi hete mohar atara bermojang. He is tall hete lamba and badi. He has black hair heta tu hala sulasi. And badi brown eyes koivirongo sukasi. He is wearing hete finde a blue t-shirt ogo asmani rangor t-shirt ori. Do you like tumi phosen gorone my new clothes mornoya horore? I have a new pink blues atyo go noya pink color blues ase and badi a new red skirt amato go noya go lal jagara ase. Onra in lasabot araf ato montagile ara channel ware full gutuna fare. Assalamu alaikum.